How to make a PVC flag pole. Making a PVC flag pole is an excellent do-it-yourself project. You can build the standard one straight flag pole, or you can be creative and have a multi-PVC flag pole. Flag pole are a beautiful display on your front lawn or near the front door. This article will describe how you can build a PVC flag pole. Things you will need: flag, PVC pipe, 2 2-inch screws, screwdriver, tape measure. Determine how tall of a flag you want to display. This will help you determine how much PVC pipe you need to purchase. If you want to display a 4x4 or 5x5 size flag, then you will need a PVC flag pole of at least 15 to 20 feet. There should be enough distance from the ground to the flag to prevent people, animals, etc. from touching the flag within arm's reach. The thickness of the flag pole should be within the 2 to 4 inch range. You want a flag pole to be sturdy enough to withstand winds. Attach the flag to the top of the PVC flag pole. Use 2 2-inch screws to attach the flag. One screw should be installed at the top and one installed at the bottom of the flag. The screws will create a tight grip between the flag and the PVC flag pole. Locate an area where the PVC flag pole will be displayed. Dig a hole in the ground of about 3 feet deep. The flag pole will be inserted into the hole in the ground. Gather small pebbles and stones. These will be placed around the PVC flag pole in the ground. Place a few stones and dirt up to 12 inches inside the PVC flag pole. This will add support to the base of the PVC flag pole. Fill in the hole with dirt. Pack the dirt down tightly. Add larger pebbles or stones around the base of the flag pole as a decorative display. Tips: warnings. Wear gloves and safety glasses.